How to fix links not working on Facebook. So there could be multiple reasons on why this is happening. Like clicking a URL that does nothing, page failing to load, app or browser opens the wrong page, or the external site is blocked. So there are a few causes for now that we can go for these reasons on why the links doesn't work, like the browser cache or cookies are corrupted, or the app itself is outdated, or even the browser. Third-party ad blockers or security software interfering, or the link itself is broken or removed from the source site. If that is the case, then there's nothing you can do about that since the link is broken or removed. And finally, network or connectivity issues. But there are a few fixes for the first causes that we mentioned. So the first thing we can do is to make sure your browser that you've set to open is at the latest version, and the actual Facebook app does not have any updates, so make sure it is in the latest version. You can also go ahead to your settings. This way you can go ahead into Facebook itself, so just search for apps, go into your apps, and then you could either manually scroll for Facebook or just search for Facebook depending on your device. Then once you're in Facebook, go ahead to the bottom right, which is the clear data button, but make sure you only press on the clear cache, since in the app, sometimes old data prevents links from opening. And finally, you can also try restarting your device. It is simple but effective if apps does process glitches. So just go ahead and long press your device and you should be able to see either a power off or a reboot option. But anyways, if none of these can work, then unfortunately it could be because the link itself is broken and there is no actual fix for that case. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.